Hello Android inventors, welcome to step 29 in the advanced series of videos regarding programming a Yahtzee application. Let's begin. So where we left off is that you had taken the tags for player 1 and you placed them in your backpack, and then you went over to the screen associated with player 1, which is player 1 scorecard, and you took them out of your backpack. So you have to make sure that you have them named as I have, because that's going to be important, and also that you have them from 1 to 16 for player 1. So let's look over here at player 2. So we already have P2 tag 17, but what we need to do now is to bring over the others. So we're just going to go over to screen 1. I already have tag 17, so let us just put these into the backpack. Okay, so I have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. That's in our backpack. Let's go over to screen 2. Okay, so as you can see, we do not have that yet, all those yet. And what we need to do is we just need to bring over the P2, tag 18, 19, and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. Okay? So later on you can straighten those out. But now you have all of the tags here so that when we read the database, we are going to take all of player 2's information out of the database and then place it on the screen. So let's go and visit this screen. So right now, you have just a couple of debug messages here. And what I want you to do now is to go over to the layout section. I want you to drag over a vertical scroll arrangement, and in the width, please make that a fill parent, and then in the height, let's make that a fill parent as well. All right, so you see that it's entirely in the screen. Please leave the debug messages right there, and especially leave your back button. You need that. And then what you're going to do is inside of the vertical scroll arrangement, what I want you to do is drag over a table arrangement. I want the width to be fill parent, and let's make the height fill parent. And then what you want to do now is you're going to drag over 2 labels. So you have 2 columns right now in your table arrangement. So you have 2 columns, and right now you have 2 rows. So what I would like you to do is to just bring over this label here. And this label is going to be the 1 score. So let us just, this is going to be the label for the 1 score. And then this is going to be the text for this label is the score will appear here. You're going to push that score to that spot. 1 score. Okay, you're going to push it there. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to create a table such that you are going to be able to store all of the scores. So you have to have 1s, 2s, 3s, 4, 5, and 6s. You have to have the interim score here where you have, we're just going to push the adding of the score here. We're going to do the total of scores 1 to 6, and then the upper section, the bonus. So in other words, you have to replicate this only because you want to just inform your player as to what their score is. So you just have to make room for just reporting that with labels. You don't have to have checkboxes, just simply labels, such that you are able to show the user what score they will have. So let's just see if sorry, my phone is ringing. Okay, so let us just take a look at the connection of the emulator, and we're going to see how that looks. Now, don't forget that the background color of a player's to scorecard is going to be the whatever was in the screen 1. So if it appears white right now, it's only because we're starting the emulator within the screen 2, and it didn't pull from screen 1. So let's just see what color appears here. And it is charging up. So please call over Miss Sharon or Miss Demi if you have any questions as to what data you have to be put in this screen. It is essentially the scorecard. So now you see that this is white. Let's go back here, and then we're going to click on scorecard 2 and see how it turned green. So it takes it from the original one. So what you want to do is to format a table right here, and you can make the background of your labels such that it looks a little different. So this design is entirely up to you. I'm leaving it unformatted so that you can decide how you want it to look. I'm going to go back to the screen 1. Okay, thank you.